live in Bangkok and I cannot speak Thai. Really, I really can't speak Thai. Every day I stand at a food stand or a shop and the words freeze in my mouth. So when I tell you this habit works, it's because I use it here to get through my day. You're going to hear the difference in your own voice before this video even ends. There's no grammar, there's no new words, just this. It's called shadowing. It takes about 5 minutes. Do it with me right now, and you'll hear the difference. Step 1, pick one short sentence you would say at work. For example, I will use, I think we should wait until next week. My Thai one today was the phrase for not spicy, please, because I say it every single day and I still get it wrong. In my humble opinion, please shouldn't be that hard of a word to say. Anyway, record yourself saying your sentence once. Don't skip this part. You will want the proof. So go ahead and pause me while you record yourself saying, I think we should wait until next week. Okay, ready for step 2? You're going to repeat the whole phrase after me. Then we're going to start building it from the back. This is called back chaining, and it makes the hard parts easy. So we start with the last word, week. Then you repeat after me, so week. Then we're going to add the word in front, next week. Keep going one word at a time till you get to the front. Until next week. Wait until next week. Should wait until next week. We should wait until next week. Think we should wait until next week. I think we should wait until next week. I do this with my Thai too. I start from the last sound and walk backwards because that's the part that always falls apart. Step number 3. We're going to say the whole sentence just after me. Don't wait for me to finish the sentence. You should be talking over me. It's going to sound really weird, but as soon as you hear me say the word I, start repeating. Ready? I think we should wait until next week. Again. I think we should wait until next week. Copy the rhythm, not just the words. Hear where the voice goes up, hear where it slows down. 4 to 5 times. Don't worry about sounding perfect. Just match the shape. Ready? I think we should wait until next week. 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 This is the part I do in the back of the Grab or taxi quietly while the driver thinks I'm a little strange, but it is important because it lets my brain focus on how to say the words the way a native person would. And it doesn't have to do any translating. It just follows along. Okay, step 4. Record yourself one more time and then play the before and after back to back. Do you hear it? The second one is smoother, faster. It sounds more like you and less like a test. This is your mouth learning the shape of the language. And it is one of the first things I do with every woman I work with. And it is absolutely the first thing I do for myself when I have to talk about something new in Thai. Here's why it works. Your mouth gets faster by doing, not by studying. Every time you say it out loud, the words come a little quicker until one day they come without thinking. And that's the key. So here's your homework. 1 new sentence a day. Record, shadow, record. I will be doing mine in Thai, and I promise you it I will still sound very rough on the very first try, and so will you. So say it messy and keep going. Mistakes are the fastest teachers. Massage your lips, cheeks, they get tired. In the next video, I will show you the 5 mistakes that keep most women stuck at the same level for years. I make some of them too, and a few of them I'm still making in Thai right now. So come find me. I'll see you there.